Let's see how to do this question. Find cosine s minus t. Given that cosine s is negative 3 over 5, with s in the quadrant 2, and cosine t is 5 over 13, with t in quadrant 4. First of all, when you know the value of cosine, you should be able to find out value of sine. How? 3 over 5, that's adjacent over hypotenuse without considering the sine. Then we know the opposite side by Pythagorean theorem should be 5 squared minus 3 squared. Choose the square root. That will be radical 16, which is 4. We know 5 squared is 25 minus 9. 9 is 3 squared. Give us 16. Choose the radical, we get 4. Then we know the opposite side over hypotenuse will be 4 over 5. And we know S is in the second quadrant. Sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So we know sine S is 4 over 5. That's one thing we need to get immediately. Similarly, for cosine t, which is 5 over 13, we should be able to find out sine t right away in a similar pattern. Cosine is 5 over 13, so then opposite side is 13 squared minus 5 squared. Choose square root. 13 squared is 169. 5 squared is 25. So 169 minus 25 gives us 144. Choose the square root. Then you get is 12. So opposite side 12 over hypotenuse. So you have a 12 over 13. Y here is negative. T is in quadrant 4. Sine is negative in quadrant 3 and 4. So you put negative here. All right. Now, by the formula, we know cosine s minus t is cosine cosine. If here is minus, it should be plus. Sine sine. Now, cosine s is given negative 3 over 5. Cosine t is given as well 5 over 13. We put right here. Plus sine s, we find it 4 over 5. Sine t is negative 12 over 13. We put right here. So negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 12 times 4 is negative 48. And then divided by 65. Which is 5 times 13 is 65. So then you will have a negative 15 minus 48, which is negative 63 over 65. Then we certainly should choose this answer. All right, see you next time.